Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. DeVos, and today I'm going to read you one of my favorite stories called Strictly No Elephants, written by Lisa Mantchev, illustrated by Tayoon Yu. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. So look what they have: goldfish, cat, bird, dogs. He's got an elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back to help him over. That's what friends do. Lift each other over the cracks. Today, I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day, and everyone will be there. The pet's going to apartment number 17. Come along, that's a good boy. I coax him over the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Strictly no elephants. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do. They brave the scary things for you. Don't look very happy, do they? Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl says, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell her. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. Never leave anyone behind. So we've got all these pets. These are different kind of pets, huh? We can play here, one of our new friends says. All of us. So we put up our own sign. Look carefully, it says, strictly no strangers, no spoil sports, but they crossed it out and wrote, all are welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. Because that's what friends do. All right, thanks for listening, boys and girls. Bye.